Hey, my humble fam. This your girl Kia, humble with big faith, that is. And I was able to grab a couple of goodies from Home Goods from my trip. And so I wanted to take the time to open it up and share with you guys what I've got. So as you can see, I've definitely decided to add some golds in, a little bit of blacks in for this Christmas decor. And if you happen to see my socks pop up somewhere in this video, listen, over here, it's still Halloween time, okay? But your girl had to go check it out now so I can get it and be good, okay? Because by November 1st, this tree will be up and decorated. Okay, so the first thing I did grab, I think I actually grabbed 2 of these. Absolutely, yes, I did. As you can see, they're together in here. But these were gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to stand these up. I haven't actually figured out the exact place where I'm gonna put these, but I have a few ideas. So this is some gold pieces that they have there. So as you can see, I grabbed 2. So I'll either put like one, well, both of them next to either my fireplace or by my entryway table. So these are 2 things that I did grab. All right, let's move this bag. Okay, I also was looking for, I never can say the name of what these things are, but they, you put them over your fireplace. Oh gosh, clearly it's very, very long. Hold on. Let me see if I can get it up through here. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna put over my fireplace. Love, love, love it. I love the pine cones with the touches of gold. Very pretty. So it's not a wreath, but if you know the name, put the name for it for me in the comment section. I always forget what these are called, but I know it's going on top of my fireplace. I love to put it on top of there. Very long, nice and long. So we have that. Okay. Put this over here. My dog looks so funny. She's like, "Don't you hit me with this thing." Okay. So we have that. All right, and these were a couple of other pieces that I found to go on the tree. They are so pretty. Look at that sparkle. Look at that sparkle. I will probably be putting these closer to the top of the tree. I always end up making the, oh, look at this one, yes, the same thing. Love it. Okay, these as well. And remember, again, all of these are little goodies that you can stick outside of your tree. Then I found this as well. That's my dog barking because she hears the ice dropping in the refrigerator. In the, not the refrigerator, but the freezer part of it. I love this. Love, 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 love this. Very pretty. So they definitely have some nice little shimmer pieces for you. And sometimes you can even make this out of your tree topper. I've done that before. And just, put all your other things around it. I found these as well because I want to incorporate some white. These icicles here. So nice. Okay, let's go ahead and move this bag. And as I did mention to you, I want to incorporate some blacks and some golds. So they always have these bins, and you can kind of find these anywhere, but they definitely give you a nice variety. So I love these. Like these right here, I love them the most because of the little shimmer on there. And I love these because I love the detail in them. Those will probably be the ones I use the most out of here. But for the price, I mean, for 50 of them for $9.99, you really can't beat that. Because one thing I've definitely learned that Christmas decor and stuff, it is definitely an. I'm sorry, my alarm went off. But I remember when I was a kid and I would see my mom buy all those decorations. I'm just like, wow, that's so cool. That's so awesome. Not even realizing how much money she spent putting into those things. Look at these little trees. I always like to get little trees like this, little stuff to go in the bathroom on top of this, the sink vanity. Just little pieces like this. So cute, so cute. I mean, look, love it, love it. All right. And this here, I think I will be using as my tree topper. I haven't actually decided yet, but it is definitely an option. Because like I say, I normally make mines, but when I saw this, I was like, wow, this is so cute. This is so cute, and it definitely has all the sparkles on it. So this may be my tree topper, but I can't say as of yet. Because you know how it is. We go to these different stores, honey, we may see something else that give us a little more whoosh, and then we're like, you know what? I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, let's see what else I have here. Okay, so I have a reindeer, and I thought this was so cute. You're looking for little pieces to go on your entryway table or on your fireplace. These give it such a nice little pop. So cute. And I grabbed these two as well because I love like the ombre look, the golds here just fading into the white. And always remember too, before you go to at home, sometimes you may have rewards. Sometimes they have little coupons. So you can check. Or like just a certain % off. And so this is the other one as well. So I purchased 2 of these. Love them. All right. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, yes. My other trees here. Oh, they're kind of stuck together. Okay. These trees here. I purchased these. Again, I haven't decided on the exact place for these to go, but I had to get them. Because it just gives that extra glam, that extra pop. Because I said this year I was going to switch it up a little bit. For the last few years, I've definitely just stepped more with like just the plain silvers and whites. And one year I kind of incorporated some turquoise. But I said, you know what? Let me bring out some gold this year. Let me pop out with some gold. Switch it up a little bit. So one thing about at home, they have so many options for you. So sorry about that. So many options for you. And then I had to get this because the one that I have, I believe he's all silver. And when I saw this one with the gold, I was like, okay. I see you, Nutcracker. I see you, Nutcracker. Honey, he has his little thing together, okay? Listen, Boots ready. He is ready for the job, and I'm ready for him to get the job done. Okay. See, I put my decor up early because, listen, like I say, this is an investment. You're spending this kind of money. I'm not putting it up a few days before Christmas or right after Thanksgiving. Like, I need to see where my money went, okay? All right. And as you can see, I purchased some of these as well because I did still want some pops of white, but I love the design. on here as well. So we have that. Okay, I purchased another one, which just reminds me, I have to show you guys. I bought one from Walmart too. I'll show you that one as well. But I bought these because I like the little gold acorns in here. They had a few bells. I liked a little bit of the designs on here too. Like this one here. I love this one, so I can't wait to put these on here with the shimmers. So I love these. Okay, and one more thing, I believe. Oh, let's not break it, Kia. That's not what we're trying to do. That's not where our coins are going. And then I have this believe sign. Very nice. Yep. So that's all I have today for you guys. I just wanted you to see what I was able to pick up when I went to at home. I will be going again. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe it, share it, and I look forward to bringing more content. Like I said, this channel here is about everything. It's about lifestyle, it's about faith, it's about family, it's about encouragement. That's what I'm here for. And of course, if I get good deals on anything, I'm going to share it with my humble fam. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a great and amazing day and get ready for the holidays. Bye.